Welcome to part 46 of Daily English. Today's situation. Food and restaurants paying the bill. Could we have the bill, please? Example. Could we have the bill, please? We're ready to pay. Can I pay by card? Example. Can I pay by card, or is it cash only? Can we split the bill? Example. Can we split the bill into two, please? I'll pay for everyone. Example. Don't worry. I'll pay for everyone today. Keep the change. Example. Keep the change. Thank you for your service. The service was excellent. Example. The service was excellent. We'll come back again. Everything was delicious. Example. Everything was delicious. Thank you. Have a nice day. Example. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you again soon. Example. Thank you for coming. See you again soon. Mini conversation. Customer, excuse me. Could we have the bill, please? Waiter, of course. Here you are. Customer, can we split the bill? Waiter, certainly. You can also pay by card. Customer, great. Thank you. Everything was delicious. Daily tip. At restaurants, could we have the bill, please, is the most common and polite way to ask for the check. If you're dining with friends, you can also ask to split the bill or offer to pay for everyone. Speaking challenge. Imagine you've finished a meal at a restaurant. Ask for the bill, choose your payment method, thank the staff, and say goodbye using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 47. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.